Student Scholars in association with Goa Headmasters Association.
Hello students, welcome to mathematics class. Students, in your previous class you have studied types of polynomials, zeros of the polynomials, and when zeros are given, how to write in the general form sum and product of zeros, and also you have studied the relationship between zeros and their coefficients. Now today's class, let us study about division algorithm for polynomials. This concept you have studied in your 9th standard. Now just let us recall once again. If p of x and g of x are any two polynomials with g of x is not equal to 0, then we can find polynomials q of x and r of x such that p of x is equal to g of x into q of x plus r of x. That is, dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder, where r of x is equal to 0 or degree of r of x lesser than degree of g of x. This result is known as division algorithm for polynomials. This is the formula. This is very important formula, you should remember. Using these formulas, now let us solve different type of problems. See, this is the one type of question now. Divide the polynomial 2x square plus 3x plus 1 by x plus 2 and find the quotient and the remainder. Hence, write the result in the form dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Now, this is the question now. In this question, we should find out the quotient and the remainder, and also then the result we should write in the form dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Here p of x is 2x square plus 3x plus 1 and the g of x is x plus 2, that is divisor, and this is p of x is dividend. When p of x is divided by g of x, here the first term of the dividend is 2x square. See here rough work I did here. See 2x square, the first term of the dividend is, we should divide by the first term of the divisor. So here the first term of the dividend is 2x square. So 2x square divided by the first term of the divisor, that is x. Now here x and x cancel. Now we will get 2x. And this 2x is the first term of the quotient. Now next, this first term of the quotient, that is 2x, we should multiply by entire term of the divisor. So 2x into x, that is 2x square. Again 2x plus 2, this 2x into 2, we should multiply these two terms. So plus into plus plus 2 2s are 4x. Now next step, we should subtract, that means each term sign we should change now. Here the sign positive change as negative, here positive sign is changed as negative. So now then we should cancel this first term. See, plus 2x square minus 2x square, it is cancelled. So here we got 0. The next term, here plus 3x and here minus 4x. So subtract these two terms. So 4 minus 3 is 1x, greater number is negative, so the minus x. Then bring this 1 to the bottom. So plus 1 again carry. Now here again the first term of the dividend, is here minus x. So again we should divide first term of the dividend by the first term of the divisor. Here rough work I did side by, see minus x, that is first term of the dividend minus x is divided by the first term of the divisor, that is x. Cancel x and x, we got here minus 1, and this minus 1 here, this is the second term of the quotient now. So next step, the we should not consider the first term of the quotient now. Now only we should take second term of the quotient, that is minus 1. This minus 1 we should multiply by entire term of the divisor. So minus into plus, here minus, x 1s are x, again plus into minus, minus, 2 1s are 2. Again now we should subtract this, that means we should change the sign. So negative change as positive, again negative is changed as positive sign. Again this term minus x and plus x cancelled, we got here 0 and both are positive. So 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. Here in this question now, after solving, we got quotient as 2x minus 1 and we got the remainder as 3. But it is question, it is asked that find the remainder and the quotient. So here the quotient is 2x minus 1 and the remainder is 3. Now again here in this question it is asked that write the result in the form dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. So these all the values we should substitute in the given form, that is dividend, here dividend is 2x square plus 3x plus 1, that I have substituted here, and that is equal to divisor, here divisor is x plus 2 and again into quotient we got here 2x minus 1, that is substituted here, plus here we got remainder as 3 and this 3 is here substituted. This is the last answer of this question now. Now let us see the again similar type of question now. Now divide the polynomial 3x cube plus x square plus 2x plus 5 by x square plus 2x plus 1 and find the quotient and the remainder. Hence write the result in the form dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. See, this is also similar type, just previous, just now you have solved this type of question, again similar type but variables and numbers are different in this question. Now again here p of x is 3x cube plus x square plus 2x plus 5 and g of x is x square plus 2x plus 1. Now here first we should divide dividend 3x cube plus x square plus 2x plus 5 by divisor x cube plus 2x plus 1. Now here the first term of the dividend is 3x cube and here the first term of the divisor is x square. So now here first term of the dividend, that is 3x cube, is divided by the first term of the divisor. After cancellation we got 3x and this 3x is the first term of the quotient. So now this 3x we should multiply by entire term of the divisor. So 3x into x square, that is 3x cube. Again both are positive, here plus into plus plus 3x into 2x. So 3 2s are 6x square, again plus into plus, that is plus 3 1s are 3x. Now next we should subtract this, that means we should change the sign. So positive is changed as negative, here again positive negative and positive is changed as negative. So here the first term we cancelling, positive 3x cube, negative 3x cube cancelled, 0 is the answer. Now next plus and minus, subtract this 6 minus 1 5x square, but greater number symbol negative, so here minus 5x square. Again positive and negative, subtract 3 minus 2 is 1x, but greater number is negative, so minus 1x. Again this plus 5 should get down here. Now here again the first term of the dividend is minus 5x square. So here the first term of the divisor is x square. Now again we should divide minus 5x square upon x square. Now x square and x square is cancelled. Now here we got answer minus 5. Now see minus 5, this is the second term of the quotient. Now again, now we should multiply the second term of the quotient, that is minus 5, into the entire term of the divisor. So minus into plus is minus, 5 into x square is 5x square, again minus into plus minus, 5 2s are 10x, again minus into plus minus, 5 1s are 5. The second term of the quotient is here will be multiplied by each term of the divisor. Now again we should subtract. Now here subtraction means we should change the sign each term. So negative is changed as positive, here negative sign is changed as positive, and negative again changed as positive. Now again the first term here, this minus plus cancelled, we got here 0, again here plus minus subtract. So 10 minus 1x, that is 9x, but greater number is positive sign, so plus 9x. Again here plus both are in positive, so add this 5 plus 5, that is 10. So last we got remainder as 9x plus 10. Again we cannot proceed the division here, because here the highest power of the remainder is here 1, but here highest degree of the power is of the divisor is 2. So always when we can proceed this the division, when the highest power of the dividend should be greater than the highest power degree of the divisor. So here we cannot proceed with the division, now we should stop here. So here we got remainder as 9x plus 10 and the quotient as 3x minus 5. Again in this question it is asked that find the quotient and the remainder. So here quotient is 3x minus 5 and remainder we got as 9x plus 10. Again we should substitute these all the values in the form, that is dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. So here dividend is 3. See dividend is 3x cube plus x square plus 2x plus 5, that is equal to, here the divisor is x square plus 2x plus 1 into the quotient we got here 3x minus 5. So the quotient is 3x minus 5 plus remainder we got here 9x plus 10. So the remainder is 9x plus 10. This is the answer from this question. Students, now let us see the another type of question here. Now in the question it is asked that divide the polynomial x cube minus 3x square plus 3x minus 2 by x minus 2, and hence verify the division algorithm. Here in this question, after finding the quotient and the remainder, we should verify with the result. Here the p of x is x cube minus 3x square plus 3x minus 2, and g of x is here given that x minus 2. So here now we should divide x cube minus 3x square plus 3x minus 2 by x minus 2. Here also we should follow the same method. Now see the first term of the dividend is here x cube and the first term of the divisor is x. So here the first term is x cube divided by the first term of the divisor x. Now x and x cancelled here, now here we got x square. This x square is the first term of the quotient. So now next step we should multiply the first term of the quotient into the entire term of the divisor. So x square into x, that is x cube, here x square the first term only consider this, x square into x, that is x cube, again plus into minus is minus, x square into 2, that is 2x square here. Now next step we should subtract this. So positive sign change as negative and negative is changed as positive. Now again see this term will cancel, that is equal to 0, here minus plus, so we should subtract these terms. So 3 minus 2 is 1 x square, but greater number is negative, so negative sign. Again bring this term down, 3x, and minus 2 bring it to down. Now again the first term of the dividend is here minus x square, and the first term of the divisor is x. So now again we should divide the first term of the dividend, that is minus x square, by the first term of the divisor x. So again cancel here, x and x cancelled. Now we got here minus x, and this minus x is the second term of the quotient now. Now again this only we should consider this now, we should not consider the first term of the quotient now. The second term of the quotient is minus x. Again this second term of the quotient we should multiply by the entire term of the divisor. So minus x into x, that is minus x square, minus into minus is plus, 2 into x is 2x. Again changing sign now, see negative is changed as positive, again the positive sign is changed as negative. So minus plus cancel, 0 will get here. Now plus minus, subtract 3 minus 2, 1x, again minus 2 bring it down. Now here we got x minus 2. Now this x minus 2, here also see the divisor is x minus 2, here also we got x minus 2. So direct we can take here as a 1. The third term of the quotient we will take as a 1 now. So again the third term of the quotient we should multiply by the entire term of this divisor. So x into 1, that is x, minus into plus, that is minus, 2 1s are 2. Now again we should change the sign, negative, and here negative change as positive. Now plus minus cancel, minus 2 plus it is also cancelled. Now here we got remainder as 0, and here we got the quotient as x square minus x plus 1. But in this question it is asked that hence verify the division algorithm. Now here we got the quotient x square minus x plus 1, and remainder we got 0, and here the dividend is x cube minus 3x square plus 3x minus 2, and divisor is x minus 2. These all the values, now we should substitute all the values in the given form. Now see x minus, we got x minus 2 as a divisor, and quotient x square minus x plus 1, and remainder is 0. Now we should multiply x minus 2 into the entire term. So x into x square, that is x cube, x into minus x, that is positive, here there positive is there, here negative is there. So first term, this first term of this we should multiply by entire term. So x into x square is x cube, x into minus x, that is minus x square, again x 1s are x. Now next again the second term of this term we should multiply by entire term of this term. Now minus 2 into x square, see that is minus 2x square, again minus into minus, that is plus, 2 into x, 2x. Now again minus into plus, that is minus, 2 1s are 2. Afterward now we should simplify this. Here see x cube will write as same, but here you can see x square, and here also you can see minus 2x square. See minus x square and minus 2x square, these two are the like terms, so we can add these two terms. So minus minus add these two, so 2 plus 1, 3 x square, sign is negative. Again you can see here plus x and plus 2x, these two are like terms, again we can add this. So plus 2x plus 1x, that is equal to 3x. Now last minus 2. See this is equal to dividend now. Hence division algorithm is verified. Now here dividend we got x cube minus 3x square plus 3x minus 2, and dividend also actually we got that x cube minus 3x square plus 3x minus 2, both the left hand side and RHS will come equal. When they are equal, we are similar values, then we can say they are, hence we can say the division algorithm is verified. Okay students, now we will see the similar type of question. One more I have taken here. Divide the polynomial x raised to 5 minus 4x cube plus x square plus 3x plus 1 by x cube minus 3x plus 1 and hence verify division algorithm. Just now in previous problem we have solved same type question, same method we have to follow here also, but only the question is different, but pattern is same type. Now let's see how to solve this. Now the p of x, that is x raised to 5 minus 4x cube plus x square plus 3x plus 1 is divided by x cube minus 3x plus 1. Now here again we have to see the first term of the dividend, that is x raised to 5, and here the first term of the divisor is x cube. So here I divided the first term of the dividend by the first term of the divisor. So after cancellation, x cube and x cube cancelled, here we got x square. So this x square is the first term of the quotient. Now next step, this first term of the quotient, that is x square, we should multiply by entire term of the divisor. So x square into x cube. Now this term, only the first term of the quotient we should multiply by entire term of the divisor. So x square into x cube, that is x raised to 5, again minus into plus, that is minus 3x into x square 3x cube plus into plus, that is plus 1x square is equal to x square. Now again we should subtract, that means we should change the sign. Now positive is changed as negative, here negative there positive, and positive changed as negative. Now next step we should cancel this first term. Now 0, here answer is 0. The next minus plus subtract 4 minus 3 1x square, again greater number negative, so negative sign. Now here again you can see this term also I have cancelled here, see, because see positive negative, here the coefficient of x square is 1, here also coefficient of x square is 1, so positive negative sign, so direct we can cancel this term. So here also we got 0. The next we should bring this 3x to the down, again 1 also we should carry down. Now here again you can see the first term of the quotient is here minus x cube. Again this first term of the dividend we should divide by the first term of the divisor. So here this is minus x cube, again we should divide by the x cube. See x cube cancelled, now here we got minus 1, and this minus 1 is the second term of the quotient. Now next step, again this second term of the quotient we should multiply by the entire term of the divisor, that is minus into plus is minus x cube 1 is x cube, again x cube into minus 1, that is x cube, you got here negative sign because here negative is there, negative into positive is negative, x cube 1 is x cube. Then again the second term is there here minus 3x. So minus into minus plus 3x 1 is 3x. Again plus 1 into minus 1. So positive into negative is negative, 1 1 is 1. Again we should subtract this, change the sign, negative change as positive, positive is negative, and negative is changed as positive. Now here you can see the first term is cancelled, here we got answer 0, here also the second term here plus 3x minus 3x, this term also cancelled, so answer is here 0. The last term you see, now both are positive, so 1 plus 1, that is equal to 2. So here we got remainder as 2 and the quotient here we got x square minus 1. The next step we should substitute this all the values in the given form. That means we should verify the division algorithm. So now the general form is a formula, dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Now whatever values we got, that we should substitute here now. That is, see, divisor we got, divisor is here x cube minus 3x plus 1 and quotient is x square minus 1 and the remainder is plus 2. Now next step, we should simplify, that means we should multiply this entire term by this term now. So x cube is multiplied by x square, we got x raised to 5. Again x cube is multiplied by the second term, that is minus 1, so minus x cube. Now next step, now this second term, here this second term is a minus 3x, so this minus 3x again multiplied by this entire term. So minus into plus is minus, 3x into x square, that is 3x cube. Now again minus into minus, that is plus, so 3x ones are 3x. Here you can see the third term is plus 1. So this plus 1 we should multiply again by the entire term, that is 1 into x square is x square. Again plus into minus is minus, 1 ones are 1 plus 2. The next step is we should simplify this again. See here x raised to 5 minus, here you can see minus x cube minus 3x cube, these both are like terms. So we can add this. So minus minus, sign is minus, 3 plus 1, that is 4x cube. Again here the next term x square plus down 3x, here we cannot see the common any like terms we cannot see, so direct we should write this x square plus 3x. Again this constant, see here positive negative, we can subtract this, so 2 minus 1 is 1, greater number is positive. Now this is the dividend of the given question. Students, now see the another type of question. Now it is on dividing the polynomial x cube minus 3x square plus x plus 2 by g of x, the quotient and the remainder are x minus 2 and minus 2x plus 4 respectively. Find g of x. This is the another type of question. Now here, see, in this question you should find out g of x. Here it is given that p of x, that is x cube minus 3x square plus x plus 2, and here q of x is given x minus 2, r of x is given minus 2x plus 4. These values are given, but here we should find out g of x, that is divisor. See, g of x we should find out now. This is the formula, you know, p of x is equal to g of x into q of x plus r of x. Now we should substitute these values in the given formula, that is, see, p of x is here x cube minus 3x square plus x plus 2 is equal to, we do not know the value of g of x. Now we should find out this into, here q of x is given x minus 2, that I have substituted here, plus, and r of x is given, that is minus 2x plus 4, that is minus 2x plus 4. Now next step we should simplify this. So x cube minus 3x square plus x plus 2, only this remainder part I carried to the left side. That means, see, minus 2x, if I carry this side, the sign will change, that is plus 2x, and plus 4 carried this side, that is minus 4. That is equal to g of x into x minus 2. Here we should find out the value of g of x. Now therefore, x cube, now after this we should simplify this. Now x cube minus 3x square, here you can see x and 2x, they are like terms, so we can add this. So 1x and plus 2x both are positive, so add this to 2x plus 1x, that is plus 3x minus 4 and here plus 2, these two constant we should subtract. Minus 4 plus 2, that is minus 2, greater number is negative, so minus 2. that is equal to g of x into x minus 2. Now here the question, it is asked that you should find out g of x, therefore g of x is equal to, we should find out the value of this. So I carried this x minus 2 to the left side, that means x cube minus 3x square plus 3x minus 2 upon x minus 2. The next step, we should divide x cube minus 3x square plus 3x minus 2 by x minus 2. Now let us see how to divide this. See, the polynomial is x raised to 3 minus 3x square plus 3x minus 2, and here divisor is x minus 2. The earlier previous question I have told you, always the first term of the dividend we should multiply by the first term of the divisor. So x cube, here first term of the dividend is x cube, I divided by the first term of the divisor, that is by x, that is equal to x square. So here x square is the first term of the quotient. The next step, we should multiply x square by entire term of the divisor, that is x minus 2. So x square into x, that is x cube, minus into plus minus 2 into x square, that is 2x square. Again we should subtract, so change sign is changing, positive negative, and negative is changed as positive. So here we can cancel the first term, so here that is equal to 0. Now minus plus, again subtract, so 3 minus 2, that is 1 x square, but greater number is negative, so negative sign. Now bring down this same terms, plus 3x and again minus 2 here. Now again we have to see here the first term of the dividend is here minus x square, but here the first term of the dividend is, divisor is x. So again I divided the first term of the dividend, that is minus x square, by the first term of the divisor, that is x. So cancel this x and x cancelled, we got minus x. Now this minus x is the second term of the quotient. Now next step, we should multiply the second term of the quotient, that is minus x into the entire term of the divisor. So minus into plus is minus x square, again minus into minus, that is plus, so x into 2, 2x. So again we have to change the sign, then after cancellation here we got this 0 and here plus and negative. So 3 minus 2 is 1x, greater number is positive. Again bring down this 2 here. Now we got here x minus 2, but here you can see the divisor is also x minus 2. So direct we can multiply now x minus 2 plus 1. So 1 is multiplied by x, that is equal to x. Again plus into minus, that is minus. So 1 2s are 2. Now changing sign, here positive is changed as negative, negative is changed as positive. Now this term also cancelled, and here we can cancel this also. So we got finally answer remainder as 0, and quotient we got here x square minus x plus 1. But in the question it is asked that find the value of g of x. So therefore the value of g of x is x square minus x plus 1. This is the value of g of x, that is x square minus x plus 1. This is also I have taken similar type of question now. So on dividing the polynomial y cube minus 3y square plus yy minus 3 by a polynomial g of y, the quotient and the remainder are y minus 3 and 7y minus 9 respectively. Find g of y. Here also we should find out the value of divisor, that is g of y. P of y is y cube minus 3y square plus 5y minus 3. Again q of y is given in the question y minus 3, and r of y is given 7 y minus 9. Here we should find out the value of g of y. See, it is the formula, we are usually you are using this formula to find out. P of y is equal to g of y into q of y plus r of y. Here variable is we have taken as y. Now next step, we should substitute the values, all these given values in the given formula. So, P of y is, that is y cube minus 3y square plus 5y minus 3, that I have substituted in the here P of y will place, and that is equal to g of y. G of y we should find out into q of y. Q of y is y minus 3, that I have substituted here, plus the remainder is 7y minus 9. Next step, we should simplify this. Now, y cube minus 3y square plus 5y minus 3, again this plus 7y minus 9 I carried over here, that is y cube minus 3y square plus 5y minus 3 plus 7y carried here minus 7y and minus 9 carried here, that is sign will change, minus 9 I carried this side, sign change now plus 9, that is equal to g of y into y minus 3. After simplification this, y cube minus 3y square plus 5y here minus 7y. These two are like terms. So, here minus 7y, here plus 5y. So, subtract this 2. After subtraction, I got here minus 2y, that is minus 7y plus 5y, 7 minus 5, 2y, greater number negative. Again, see plus 9 and minus 3, these two constant we should subtract. 9 minus 3, that is 6, greater number is plus, so here plus 6. That is equal to g of y into y minus 3. Now, here we should find out the value of g of y. Therefore, g of y is equal to y cube minus 3y square plus 2y plus 6. This y minus 3 I carried over here, that is upon, that is y minus 3. Now, next step, we should divide this y cube minus 3y square minus 2y by 6 by y minus 3. Again, here you can see that, see y cube minus 3y square minus 2y plus 6 is divided by y minus 3. Here same method we should follow here also. The first step is the highest power of the first, this dividend is y cube, say I divided by the first term of the divisor, that is y. So, here y and y cancelled, we got y square, and this y square is the first term of the quotient. The next, we should multiply this y square into the entire term of the divisor. So, y square into y, that is y cube, y square into minus 3. So, minus into plus minus 3 into y square, that is 3y square. So, again changing sign, see positive change as negative, here negative sign change as positive. This term cancelled and this term is also cancelled, here we got 0. So, next term you bring it down, this minus 2y here and again plus 6, bring it down here. Now, the first term of the dividend is here minus 2y. So, minus 2y is again divided by the first term of the divisor, that is y. Again cancel y and y, we got minus 2, and this minus 2 is the second term of the quotient. Now, again we should multiply this minus 2 into entire term of the divisor. So, minus into plus is minus, 2 into y 2y, minus into minus is plus, 2 3s are 6. Again we should do the subtraction. So, changing sign, negative is changed as positive and negative sign, positive sign I have changed as negative. Now, here again you can see both the terms are cancelling. So, after cancellation we got here remainder as 0. So, here we got the quotient is y square minus 2, but in this question we have to find out the value of g of y, that is divisor. Therefore, g of y is equal to y square minus 2. This is the value of g of y.